Okay, so I'm snacking on cranberries, and Beta really expressed interest, so I gave her some. She thinks they're very sour, but she wants more. She likes them. She thinks, oh, they're sour. They're sour, aren't they? They're so good, though. Yeah. What do you think? Oh, it's so sour. Oh, it's so sour. Yeah, it's good sour, though, isn't it? Oh, it's sour. Oh, my. Got more? Did you finish it? Take another piece? Are you still chewing? Oh, yes, still chewing. Oh, drooling. Uh-oh, where'd your napkin go? There it is. Oh, it's so sour. Oh, it's so sour. Oh. You like it, though, don't you? See? She wants more. Oh, it's so sour, though. But she hasn't spit them out yet. Hey? You haven't spit them out. Come on, let's see your face. It's so cute. Oh, it's so sour. Oh. Oh, it's so funny. You're so funny. Do you want more? Is that why you're getting frustrated? Mommy wait too long? Hold on. Oh, I don't know if you should have any more. No. Maybe not. No more. I'll give you a puff next. How's that sound? Something a little more calm. Yeah. Would you like a puff? Something with a little less flavor. What do you think? Oh, so sour. There. Is that good? Still some sour in your mouth? Funny girl.